Oyez is a free law project that archives multimedia from the U.S. Supreme Court. Students should become familiar with Oyez so they can reference Supreme Court decisions. The following information will explain how to use Oyez. First, go to oyez.org. In the top right-hand corner of the main page, you'll see a search box. Enter the name of the case you're searching for into the box and press the Enter key. Then, you'll need to select the case you're looking for from the list. The page for the case will populate with links to important information. On the left side of the page, you'll see a link for the oral argument, the syllabus, which is a summary of the case, and the entire opinion of the case. On the right side of the case page, you'll see a listing of the parties and their procedural posture. For example, Texas is the petitioner, the court that decided the case, the citation, when it was decided and argued, and who argued the case in front of the Supreme Court. If you select the name of the attorneys that argued the case, it will take you to a page listing any other cases they argued in front of the court. If you select the name of the court that decided the case, such as Rehnquist Court, you'll be taken to the Justices by Court page. Here you see all the different variations of the Supreme Court throughout the years. The right side of the case page will also provide you with a short statement of the facts, the question considered by the court, and the conclusion and decision, including how each justice voted. Here you can also sort how justices voted by seniority or by ideology. Use this information to explore the Oyez site and learn more about U.S. Supreme Court law cases.